America's national parks are something that so many of us, obviously as photographers, get so excited to create in. When you have a couple that loves the outdoors and passionately feels such a connection to a certain park to the point where they want to do their wedding photographs there, it is an absolute dream to be a part of that day with them. Working with couples on their wedding to photograph their special day has always this moment of trust, and it's just special to connect with them and to see the way that they dream. The places and moments that are special to them are potentially what will be shared with the future generations. As you set up and prepare for moments, for example, like the first look, you have to know and trust that you're going to capture the moment as it happens naturally. You've got one chance for that true emotion to happen. The Fujifilm GFX 100S is absolutely insane. I have never really used anything like it before that has made me as a photographer just feel so excited because of the hardware that I'm using. Using this camera for this project to capture, this couple's intimate moments in a national park, this camera really stood out as more than full frame because of a few key elements. The viewfinder is insanely crisp. The fall off feels so natural. The display shares so much detail. It's beyond easy to proof in the field. The color profile is just nuts. It has these pure skin tones and then this full, beautiful, dynamic color that's in every photograph. And then to put all of this together into a body that was actually smaller than and lighter than I had originally anticipated, it's just absolutely incredible. And of course, not to forget, because you're shooting with such a massive sensor, the sharpness of just every detail is just unlike anything I've ever used before. At the end of the day, as a photographer, I just want to be alive in the moment. I want to keep being a human even when I have this job to complete. And I want to allow the couple to feel like they created their own memories beyond just being in front of the lens. Ultimately, the day shouldn't be just about me and the photographs. It's about them and their memories and that day being their dream.